We're standing on a historic beaver dam that was probably constructed by natural beaver 10 to 15 years ago. And beaver probably inhabited this site for hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of years. For whatever reason, beaver 10, 15, 20 years ago left, and they have not came back. So the purpose of this project is to try and reintroduce beaver back to the system. The beaver are keystone species. They hold these riparian areas together. Without them, these streams become incised, which drops the water table down, and then drying out all this lush riparian vegetation that so many animals and insects rely on. You know, these are only 2% probably of our landscape, but they provide 98% of the forage and the production of these landscapes. The neat thing about these is that a lot of people can get behind them. So our partners throughout the Black Hills area here are National Wild Turkey Federation, Mule Deer Foundation, Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation, South Dakota Game and Fish, Wyoming Game and Fish, Black Hills Fly Fishers, the SARE Club, Prairie Hills Audubon Society. The list goes on. Everybody is getting behind these things. Everybody is realizing that our riparian areas are in critical condition right now, and now is the time to act.